Do you have a piece of painted furniture that's old and tired looking? It's too dark for your taste and doesn't match your decor or go with anything? Maybe you just want a change of color scheme or to add a pop of color into your room. Perhaps you tried to paint a piece of furniture once only to have it turn out to be a disaster. Or maybe you're having a hard time even starting on your project because you can't find the motivation or are afraid of messing it all up. Unlike other hobbies, there are no naturals in furniture painting. No one can just expect to pick up a brush and get a flawless finish. But it is possible to learn to paint furniture like a pro by learning the simple fundamentals of prep work, painting technique, and the finishing touches that pull it all together. These are the tips and techniques that make all the difference in a beautiful piece of painted furniture. If you commit to following these simple steps I'm going to show you in this workshop, your piece of painted furniture will turn out absolutely beautiful each and every time. That's why I've teamed up with Home Talk to put together the perfect workshop so you can do it right, get the exact look you want, and love the end result. These lessons are taught in 6 video modules so you can watch at your pace, anytime, anywhere, and have lifetime access to rewatch them again and again. I cover everything you need to know from getting started, picking the right paint, color choice, prepping, priming, finishing, and care. You'll also receive a downloadable workbook that includes comprehensive supply lists and cheat sheets. It's especially handy to have on hand while shopping for materials and taking notes while watching the videos. So hurry, click on that link and sign up for this workshop today. I'll see you in class.